Jai Shri Mataji. We all humbly bow down and we will take collective bandhan. Put your both hands on your palm, both hands on your lap. Look at Shri Mataji's photograph. We will recite three great Maha Mantras followed by Shri Ganesh mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Triguణात्मिका Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalaki Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalaki Sakshat Shri Sahasrar Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Keep your both hands towards the Mother Earth. Put your complete attention on your Muladhara Chakra. Shri Ganesh Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Just keep your complete attention on your Muladhara Chakra. We shall pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please enlighten my Muladhara Chakra. Please bless us with all divine qualities of Shri Ganesha. Shri Mataji, please make my Muladhara healthy and strong. Shri Mataji, please bless me with all divine qualities of Shri Ganesha on my Muladhara Chakra. Shri Mataji, please make us completely innocent like a child. With the complete attention on Muladhara Chakra, both hands towards the Mother Earth, we will say Shri Ganesh Atharva Shisham. Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अव उत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचोद्वातात् अवाधरातात् सर्वतो मा पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मय त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममय त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं ततो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं ततस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमिष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरं गणादीत् पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीतदन्तरम् अनुस्वारा परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्रम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकार पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारा शान्त्यरूपं बिन्दु उत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निश्चित गायत्री छन्दः गणपति देवता ॐ गण गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशम् अङ्कुशधारिणं हृदं च वरदं हस्ते बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पे सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्टियादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायन्ति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनावरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्ते नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। Now just keep your left hand on your lap, right hand towards the Mother Earth only. With the complete attention on your left Muladhara chakra, we'll say mantra Shri Nirmal Ganesh Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. With the complete attention on the left Muladhara, just praise Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please bless us with the complete innocence, with the chastity and the purity of Shri Ganesha. Shri Mataji, let me be the worthy of your divine attention and divine purity. Please make us completely innocent like a child. Now keep your complete attention on your left channel. We shall pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please take away all the heaviness, all the badhas, all the negativities from my left channel. Keep praying in your heart, Shri Mataji. Please clean and clear my left channel through the earth element. With the complete attention on the left channel, we will recite few names of Shri Bhairava, short mantras. Sri Siddha Bhairava Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Siddha Bhairavaya Namo Namaha. Shri Shakti Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shakti Bhairavaya Namo Namaha. Shri Kala Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kala Bhairava Namo Namaha. Shri Kankala Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kankala Bhairavaya Namo Namaha. Shri Martanda Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Martanda Bhairavaya Namo Namaha. Shri Ananda Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ananda Bhairavaya Namo Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Now you can place your right hand on your left Swadhisthana. You can press little bit with your right hand on your left Swadhisthana. Shri Mataji, please give us pure desire, and pure knowledge of my spirit. Shri Mataji, please take away all the negativities, all the badhas from my left Swadhisthana. We will say mantra Om Shri Shuddha Ichha Namo Namaha 6 times. Om Shri Shuddha Ichha Namo Namaha. 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 Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Just meditate for some time on your left Swadhisthana. Now we will rotate our right hand on our void chakra. Here we will say Guru Mantra 2 times. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Shri Mataji Nirmalama, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Shri Mataji Nirmalama, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. On your void chakra, pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please enlighten my Guru principle. Shri Mataji, by your grace, please make us our own Guru, our own Master. Now we keep our right hand on our center Nabhi chakra with the complete attention on your Nabhi chakra. We will say Om Shanti 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 5 times. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। With the complete attention on the Nabhi chakra, pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please enlighten Dharma principle within me. Please enlighten Vishwa Nirmal Dharma within me. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. Shri Mataji, I surrender all my thoughts, all my worries at your divine lotus feet. Now you can keep your right hand on your left Nabhi chakra. We'll say mantra Shri Griha Lakshmi Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Griha Lakshmi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am completely satisfied. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am completely satisfied. Now keep your right hand on your left heart. Try to connect your attention from your left heart, that is from your spirit, to your Sahasrara. Just pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please enlighten my spirit. Please enlighten my self-realization. Please take away all my family attachment, all my physical and all my material attachments. Shri Mataji, please make us detached Sahayogis. Shri Mataji, please make us Shiva Yogi. With the complete attention on your left heart and on your Sahasrara, we will say Shivoham, Shivoham 12 times. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. We will meditate on our left heart for some time. Now we can raise our attention a little bit above. We can keep our right Vishuddhi finger on our center Vishuddhi chakra. Keep right Vishuddhi finger on your center Vishuddhi chakra. Just pray to Shrimataji. Shrimataji, verily you are Sakshat Shri Radha and you are Sakshat Shri Krishna. In the form of Shri Radha and Shri Krishna, please clear my Vishuddhi chakra. Shrimataji, please take away all my reactions, all my guilty feeling. Please give me detached witness state. Shrimataji, please give me detached witness state. We'll say mantra Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. We will meditate for some time on our Vishuddhi chakra. Now we can keep up both Vishuddhi finger in the ear. You can face yourself toward the sky. We will say all together Allahu Akbar 16 times. Allahu Akbar, 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 Allahu Akbar. Raise your both hands toward the sky. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Shri Nirmala Ve Namo Namaha. Keep hands toward the sky only. We shall pray Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please make us collective Sahajogis. Please make us part and parcel of this Virata. Please connect us to the universe. Shri Mataji, verily your Sakshat Shri Viratanga. Please clear our Vishuddhi Chakra. We will say mantra Shri Viratangna Virat Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Viratangna Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Take your hands slowly down. Place your both hands at your heart level. And check your vibrations on your both hands at your heart level. Shri Mataji, please bless me with your divine vibrations. With the divine cool breeze on my hand, your divine love in my hand, in my heart. Let me feel the joy of my spirit. Let me enjoy your divine vibrations on my hand, on my Sahasrara. Now you can put your hand slowly on your lap again. Now we'll balance our right channel. You can place your left hand toward the sky with the complete attention on your right channel. Just pray Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please clear my right channel to the ether element. Please take away all my plannings, all my ego, all my reactions, all my anger, all my hatred from my right channel. Shri Mataji, Verily, you are the doer, you are the enjoyer. We do nothing. Srimataji, we do nothing. Meditate sometime for your right channel. We will say mantra Shri Mahasaraswati Sakshat, Shri Hanuman Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat, Shri Mahasaraswati Sakshat, Shri Hanuman Sakshat, Shri Adi Shakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Surrender all your thoughts. Forgive all your thoughts. Keep your left hand on your lap, both hands on your lap. Keep your both hands on your ego and superego, on your sides, ego and superego. We will say Om, Hum, Sham 4 times. Om, Hum, Sham. Om, Hum, Sham. Om, Hum, Sham. Om, Hum, Sham. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Hand down. Now we raise our Kundalini from our center channel, from our center Muladhara to Sahasrara 6 times, 3 times. We'll say Om. Now place your right hand on your Sahasrara. Press little bit to your right palm on your Sahasrara. Rotate your palm on your Sahasrara. Here we shall pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, we are very thankful to you. You have given us our self-realization. Shri Mataji, we are very thankful to you. Shri Mataji, please come on my Sahasrara. Please stabilize my attention on my Sahasrara. Now you can check your vibrations from your right hand. You can raise your hand a little bit above your skull and see your vibrations from your Sahasrara. You can repeat this process with your left hand also and check your vibrations. Now we can keep our both hands on the lap, and with the complete attention where you have placed your hand on your Sahasrara, and just surrender all your thoughts. With the complete attention on Sahasrara, let the enjoy divine vibrations coming from Shri Mataji. We will meditate silently for some time with the music. With the complete attention surrounding, we will say three great Mahamantras. ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीमहालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुण्डलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः। Thank you, Shrimataji, for this collective meditation with all your divine blessings. Jai Shrimataji. We all humbly bow down. We will take Bandhan. Jai Shrimataji.
Jai Shri Mataji, Dr. Priyanka, thank you so much. Thank you. That was really, really beautiful. I believe for the next part of this evening here in America and obviously the morning there in India is a presentation of a few bhajans that the young children, the Yuva Shakti at the Vishwa Nirmal Prem Ashram have put together for us. Dr. Priyanka, are we ready for that or?
Yeah. I just have to arrange the camera. That's it. Children's are ready.
Okay. Also, for the settings for Zoom, is that something, the things that we'd reviewed for turning on original sound and all of those things, those are set up?
I think it has set up.
Okay. Just make sure maybe that the turn on original sound button is turned on. And
Yeah, it is turned on.
Perfect. Whenever you guys are ready, please proceed.
Yeah.
Can we rotate the camera slightly to the right so we can see all the Shiva Shakti?
To the right.
To the right, towards you, just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a teeny bit more. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Dr. Priyanka, do you want to start with a small introduction for everyone that is here in America before we start?
Okay.
About the ashram and about the children, about yourself maybe as well?
Jai Shri Mataji. These are the children from the Vishwa Nirmala Prem Ashram. This project Shri Mataji has started in 2003. This is for the poor girls and for the destitute women. So these are the girls. These come from various places in India, and they get here a proper education. They stay here. They learn Sahaj Yoga. They go to the school. They do all the activities, and when they are self-sufficient, maybe after 18 years, then they can go out and they can make themselves independent. So this is the main purpose for Shri Mataji to open this project, that those who are needy, those who are poor, they are destitute women, all over the India, they can come here, they can have a shelter, and they can make themselves self-independent, and they can make themselves a good yoginis, so they can go outside and they can be self-sufficient. So from this, all the activities apart from the school, they also participate in all the activities which is in health center. Like if you see the decoration of the health center, if you see, they learn the singing, they learn the music, they are very active in the dancing also. So just it's a part of a big Sahaj family. I think we are all extended family. So and they work so hard today. So just to show you their music talent. So I think you should enjoy their music. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. Thank you.
जय जय बोलो निर्मल गणेश की, जय जय बोलो शिव नंदन की, जय जय बोलो अष्टविनायक की, श्री माता जी निर्मला देवी, जय जय बोलो निर्मल गणेश की, जय जय बोलो शिव नंदन की, जय जय बोलो अष्टविनायक जय माँ, जय माँ, गा रहा मन मेरा जय जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ, गा रहा मन मेरा जय जय माँ, तेरा नाम सुबह शाम, तेरा नाम सुबह
हरे मुरारी मधुकैट भारे गोपाल गोविंद मुकुंद शोरे हरे मुरारी मधुकैट भारे गोपाल गोविंद मुकुंद शोरे अनंत श्रीधर गोविंद केशवा मुकुंद माधव नारायण अनंत श्रीधर गोविंद केशवा मुकुंद माधव नारायण देवकी तनया गोपी रघुना भक्त उद्धरना श्रीविक्रमा देवकी तनया गोपी रघुना भक्त उद्धरना श्रीविक्रमा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा की जय जय मोहन की जय जय मुरली मनोहर श्याम की जय जय राधा की जय जय मोहन की जय जय मुरली मनोहर श्याम की जय जय श्यामा की जय जय मुरारी की जय जय बंसीधर गिरधारी की जय जय श्यामा की जय जय मुरारी की जय जय बंसीधर गिरधारी की जय जय हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 यमुना तट पर बंसी बजाए गोपियों संग रस रचाए यमुना तट पर बंसी बजाए गोपियों संग रस रचाए कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे Krishna
Desha Mataji, thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Dr. Priyanka, I wanted to let the girls know that there are over 78 connections today from all over America, from Canada, from various parts of this country, and I think there are at least 100 people that are watching this and enjoying this. I wish we could all clap together and all be there to thank you so much for such beautiful music. I just want to read some of the comments that have been flowing in the chat, and so the girls know how appreciated this is. It says, all the yuvas are shining, Jai Shri Mataji. And someone said, beautiful, so beautiful, dear sisters. The bhajans are full of bhakti. The bhajans take one into meditation, and so beautiful. Jai Shri Mataji. It is so heartfelt. Jai Shri Mataji. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Jai Shri Mataji. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And as I think, as we have spoken earlier, girls can be performed maybe next time when you require. Maybe just tell us before so they can prepare some more bhajan for next time. Jai Shri Mataji.
Thank you, Jai Shri Mataji. Absolutely, we would love to have them perform, and maybe we'll put together a special evening just for them to perform for us. It would be so beautiful, and we'll spread the word all over the country here and everywhere we can. We would love to have them perform again. Thank you so much,
Okay, Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. Dr. Priyanka, did you still have time for some of the questions that were submitted to answer those for us, or
Yeah, I have time, but just see your time because it's late there.
yes?
So if it is
Yes, on the East Coast it's about 11:30 at night, but here on the West Coast the night is young. It's only 8:30. So, and I'm sure everyone is so completely uh, engrossed and with full attention on this. So I think we should be okay. Um,
okay.
did
So
you see the questions already, or do you need me to share them? Or
I will read one by one so I can make them answer.
okay,
Okay.
thank you
So
so
those
much.
like they have like a same questions and the same answer. I will not repeat the questions. We are just repeating the questions which is a different. Okay.
Perfect, thank you.
So I'll first read the question and then I'll answer the question. Okay.
Yep, sounds good.
Okay. So first question is when I don't feel vibrations. So if you don't feel vibrations on your hand, that is most important. Where you don't feel vibration, whether it is on your hand or on your Sahasrara. If you don't feel your vibrations on your hand, you need to work on your Vishuddhi chakra. For the Vishuddhi clearance, you need to clear. You can put your right Vishuddhi finger, do Allah Akbar. You can do ghee camphor. As Shri Mataji has advised, ghee camphor is very good for Vishuddhi clearance. Specifically, as you are living in country of Shri Krishna, Shri Mataji said you need to keep your Vishuddhi very clean. So you need to do ghee camphor every day, at least in the morning or in the evening every day. And for also Vishuddhi Chakra, Shri Mataji has advised you can massage your palms. You can put a oil, especially the olive oil, and massage your palms like this. So she said when you do this massage with your palms with the olive oil, it gets improve your sensitivity on your hands. If you still don't feel vibrations on your hand, you can take some salt on your both hands and just rub your hands with the salt. And also one more thing you can do for Vishuddhi clearance is do hand soak. Like put your right hand on your in the water, like you can take a small tub, you can put your just your right hand left hand towards Shri Mataji, and you can clear your right hand. It clears your right Vishuddhi, all the heat from your right Vishuddhi. And for the left Vishuddhi, you can do candling with Sri Vishnu Maya names. So Allahu Akbar is a treatment. Also you can recite the Virata names. So it is all for the Vishuddhi clearance. And when you don't feel vibration on your Sahasrara, you need to work on your heart. Shrimati said, when you see me in your heart, and when your heart is open, then you can feel me on Sahasrara. So you need to see Shrimataji in your heart, then work on your Agya Chakra and on your Sahasrara. So this is for when you don't feel vibrations on your hand or on your Sahasrara. Somebody has asked the question how to do ghee camphor. Like ghee camphor, we have a liquid ghee camphor. Like if you can make it ghee camphor at home with the cow ghee and some edible camphor we have in the market. I don't know if it's found in US or not, but in India we can have the Bhimsani Kapu. Ratio is 1:10. Camphor is 1 and 10 is the ratio of ghee. You can make it liquid together, melt it in the heat, and then you can prepare that ghee camphor and you can apply on all your neck, and your shoulders, on your wrist. This is the part of Vishuddhi chakra, and also apply drops of ghee on your nose. And make sure when you do this ghee camphor, you have to lie down yourself on the bed, and you have to hang your neck 90-degree down so the ghee can go inside. So do this treatment once in a day. This is for when you don't feel vibrations. It was the same question again. The second, what intensive treatment can be done to feeling vibrations? So I have already answered it. How to address the chronic catching on the center Muladhara together the center heart? Thank you. So the question is like how to work on the Muladhara. So Muladhara clearing, as we can, and how to strengthen the Muladhara, they're the same questions. So to strengthen the Muladhara, you need to meditate on the Muladhara, especially on the grass or on the Mother Earth. So you can meditate with both hands on the Mother Earth. Either you can meditate on the left hand to Shri Mataji to work on your left Muladhara. To clear, we can say the names of you can say the names of Shri Ganesha for the left Muladhara. And you can, for the right, you can just put your right hand on your lap and the left hand Mother Earth. You can recite the name of Shri Kartikeya. To recite two names, or you can, if you don't have time to recite the name, you can just read Ganesha Tarvashishya. Most important, like to have the Muladhara clearance, or to clear the Muladhara, you need to establish the qualities of Shri Ganesha on your Muladhara. That is the innocence, the chastity and the purity. When you ask Shri Mataji to establish that in yourself, that will definitely strengthen your Muladhara. So one more treatment you can do for left Muladhara, if it's more catching on your left Muladhara, not on the right Muladhara. You can also do Ajwan Duni. Like if you know, you can take a pot, you can make the Ajwan and some camphor and some Google or Loban inside and make the smoke, and you can go in the toilet and take that dhuni from when you sit in the toilet for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is how you clear your Muladhara chakra. Mostly the sitting on the grass is most important. Most of the time you should meditate on the Mother Earth, or you can meditate on the grass. Shri Mataji said you can just see, most of the time your eyes should be on the earth, on the Mother Earth, on the grass. That's how you clear your Muladhara more faster. And the strengthening of the Muladhara is the same, like have your qualities of Shri Ganesha on your Muladhara. Ask Shri Mataji to give the qualities of Shri Ganesha, like for innocence, for the chastity and the purity, on each of your activities when you do in a day-to-day life. Just pray Shri Mataji and ask Shri Mataji to come in your Muladhara in the form Shri Ganesha. So there is another same questions, how to clear the Muladhara Badha. As I answered the same, the left Muladhara with Nirmal Ganesha names. For the right Muladhara, the Kartikeya names. For if it is left Muladhara is more stronger, you can do the Ajwan Duni and meditate on the grass and the Mother Earth. So the next question is about the lethargy, about the lack of desire to meditate. Lethargy and the lack of desire to meditate comes from your left channel. So you need to work on your left side. Either you can do 3 candle treatment for this. You can put your left hand to Shri Mataji and put 3 candles on your left hand side and say names of Shri Mahakali, or you can say Shri Ganesha Turvashisha. Lethargy mostly come from your left nabi. So you can clear your left nabi with candles. You can say Ganesha Turvashisha, or either you can say names of Shri Fatima on your left nabi. So lethargies mostly come from your left nabi. So work on your left nabi. Again, the same questions like how to feel your vibrations and your chakras, and when you feel yourself, your catches. Same answer when you have a sensitivity on your hands. When you go deeper in your meditations, you can feel your chakras. When you sit for meditation, just close your eyes and ask Shri Mataji, please tell me my vibrations. It is mostly comes from your Vishuddhi clearance and from your heart clearance. And you, for this, you need to meditate in the morning, early morning meditation at 4 a.m., where you know, because before 6 a.m., as Shri Mataji said, when the universe is sleeping, at that time when you meditate at 4, you can feel the vibration, the energy which is related to you, because at that time universe is not active. So when you meditate in the early morning meditation, you can feel your vibrations and you can feel your catches. That's how you strengthen your meditation, and you can feel your more vibrations. And apart from this, the treatment as an advice for you, like clearing of Vishuddhi chakra and clearing of your heart. So how to strengthen the left channel other than matka and 3 candle treatments? I think for the left channel, you need to keep your desire pure, like have your pure desire to meditate. Shri Mataji said, left side is difficult to work it out. It takes long time to work it out because it comes from your past. It's come from your different stages of your life before Sai Yoga, maybe before your this life, maybe another your past lives. So it takes time after you coming inside yoga. So it takes a long time to cure the left side. But apart from matka and the candle treatment, you can meditate mostly on the left hand to Shri Mataji and sit on the Mother Earth. Also, you can do the string knot burning, camphering treatment. Also, you can do a hot water foot soak. Just put your left foot in the hot water and do the foot soak for the left side. It can give the clearance of your left channel very faster. How does one protect themselves from the negative attention? So negative attention, you can, when you feel negative attention, I think you can feel on your right Muladhara. If you have anybody's negative attention on yourself, you mostly feel that attention on your right Muladhara and also on the left Swadhisthana. To clear that, you need to ask Shri Mataji to clear in the form of Shri Kartikeya. You can recite few names of Shri Kartikeya. Also, there are negative destroying mantras. There are some treatments to protect yourself from the negative attention. You can do paper burning, like write whatever negative attention coming from any person. You can pray, you can give bandhan, you can shubit for this problem. If you know the person who is putting the negative attention, as you can write down in the paper burning, write down his name and all his the negative attention. Also, Shri Mataji has advised one treatment. You can vibrate a lemon and take the lemon on your left hand and put the lemon on the left hand and say the name of the person, or just pray for Shri Mataji that take all the negative attention which is coming you and your spirit. And after praying this for a couple of times, you can pray the name or you can pray for Shri Mataji. Maybe you can take this mantra, you can just pray for this for 11 times or 7 times, and then put that lemon or cut that lemon into half and then flush in the lemon, or you can throw out the lemon. You can do this lemon treatment for the cutting the lemon until you feel the vibration, the negative attention has not away from you. But specific, don't put too much attention on the negative. I think you just put attention more on the positive. Just pray Shri Mataji and keep Shrimataji in your heart and put yourself more on Sahasrara. When you are here, I think nobody can touch you. So just be there on Sahasrara so nothing can harm you. So there are questions about how to cure the PCOD, that is the polycystic ovarian disease. It is for the ladies. I think it's mostly come from your hormone imbalance, and it comes from your nabi, left nabi. So work on your left nabi, also from your left swadhisthana, and mostly you can take the names of Shri Ganesha, clear your left channel with the candle treatment. Work on also on the Vishuddhi chakra, as I said, work with the ghee camphor and all. So it is mostly the PCODs come from the hormone imbalance in the girls or the ladies. So mostly this clear your left nabi, left swadhisthana and muladhara. It also connected your left Vishuddhi because maybe you have thyroid or something. You're working on your left Vishuddhi with the candle also clears your hormone imbalance. How to cure diabetes? Diabetes, Shrimataji said, comes from your both Swadhisthana and the both Nabi chakra. So for the both Swadhisthana clearing, you can left Swadhisthana you can clear with the candle. For the right Swadhisthana you can clear with the ice pack. So you can do this different 2 tough foot soak. Keep your left foot in the hot water and the right foot in the cold water. 2 tough for the both channel. Also you can recite mantra for the right channel. For the right channel, just do Hanuman Chalisa and cooling mantras for the liver. Also for the left nabi, work on left nabi with Ganesha Vashisha, or you can take clear on the center nabi with the Vishnu names. Do more foot soaking like 3-4 times, or you can do 2-3 times foot soaking in a day. It cures out all your heat, all the things, and also diet control. Diet control and exercise is very important in diabetes. So both meditation on Nabi Swadhisthana, diet for the diabetes and the exercise. Make sure all these things together will help to control your sugar level. So the next question is for the pneumonia. Pneumonia, it's come from your right heart. The problem with your right heart. So Shrimati said any problem in your right heart, either related to your husband, to your father. So you need to clear your right heart. You have to correct your relationship with the husband, your father. For the pneumonia, just work with the Rama Kavach. Work on your center heart with the Devi Kavach. Pneumonia is mostly maybe caused from the hot liver because whatever heat it goes from your liver, it goes to your right heart. So work on your right channel with ice water foot soak, Hanuman Chalisa, ice pack on the liver and the Ram Kavach. This is for the pneumonia and for the lung infection. Next question is for the skin condition psoriasis. Psoriasis is the genetic disorder. It comes from genes. It comes from your left nabi. So all these skin troubles, Shrimati said, work on your left nabi, on your liver. For the left nabi, you can, as I said, clear with the Ganesha Vishisha or Fatima names. Right nabi, you can work with the ice pack, cooling mantras, foot soaking, working on the nabi. You can just take a Vishnu names. Also for psoriasis, for the skin infection, you can either refer for homeopathy or Ayurveda treatment, which is most suitable. Don't go for allopathic treatment because it gives mostly the steroids, and steroids is not good for your body. So just it takes a lot of time because it's an autoimmune disorder, psoriasis. It takes long time to cure. Just work for this is just meditate on your Nabi chakra most. You can apply on the outside the skin Kailash Jivan. You can apply some olive oil, vibrate the oil in front of Shrimataji and then apply. The next question is for the stomach ulcer. So for the stomach ulcer is mostly come from your acidity. It is like hot liver when your diet is not correct. So you just follow the liver diet And for the liver diet, you can just do whatever. Don't eat too much spicy non-veg, the oily fried food. You can do more foot soak, work on your liver, and you can work on your void and the nabhi chakra for this for stomach ulcer. But the most important is your food soaking and clearing your right channel and the liver diet, because ulcer is mostly come from the which is we are using a lot of fried food or junk food. So just make sure, make it your food habit very healthy and according to the Sahaj liver diet. So it will help you to cure your stomach ulcer. So for this you can maybe try with drinking with vibrated water, because when you drink the vibrated water it goes in your stomach and it can cure all your problems to the stomach. The next question is for the high cholesterol. High cholesterol is, comes from your right side, like using too much right side, less sleeping, working so hard for long hours. It also gives your right side more affected and high cholesterol. Mostly the stress. I think today's life is mostly the stress you have. It is the lifestyle we follow, the food style we follow, as is the main reason of your high cholesterol. Apart from working on your right side and your right heart, you need to again correct your liver diet, again correct your routine, exercise, walking. As Shrimati said, you need to walk every day. So just correct on this. It is for high cholesterol. Mostly the diet. Diet is very important in high cholesterol. Apart from this, you will work in your right heart. The high blood pressure, again for the high blood pressure is the same for the right side. Work on your right channel, specifically on your right heart. Ice pack Sri Hanuman Chalisa with the left hand toward the sky. 3-4 times ice water cool foot soak. You can do it just with your right foot. You can do it for 8 to 10 days. Just cool down your right channel. It will also help to lower down your blood pressure. Oh, and also, as I said, exercise. About the gallbladder issues, I think gallbladder is again related to your liver. As I answered the same, a liver diet, follow the clearing, food soaking, and working on your liver with the ice pack and the cooling mantras. But the most important, your diet for the liver. The next question is for the arthritis and the osteoporosis. Arthritis and osteoporosis mostly comes from your nabi, the nabi chakra. So you need to work on your nabi. You can do foot soaking with the nabi, with the Ganesha Tarvashisha on your center nabi. You can recite the names of Vishnu on your nabi chakra. Apart from this, again the calcium supplement. For arthritis, you can massage your joints with the olive oil. Sorry, we can massage with the mustard oil if it is more painful or the swelling. Kerosene oil, but you don't have available in, I think, your country, but just do with the mustard oil massage on your joints. But mostly the more important is your foot soaking. Most take out the heat from your body, and nabi, work on the most on nabi chakra. For the sciatica troubles, I think sciatica is mostly, it is related to your physical work. When you have a long standing, when you have long hours of standing, also can cause the pressure on your lower limbs and can decrease your circulations on your blood on the lower side. So for the sciatica, you need to avoid long standing, and if it still have a lot of pain on your legs, do massage when you before sleep on your legs. As I said, with the olive oil or the mustard oil, you can massage. Shrimati said you can also for the sciatica, you can sciatica pain, you can do meditate on the Muladhara chakra, like left Muladhara. If it is coming from the left side, if it is coming from the right side, meditate on your right Muladhara. It's a combination of Muladhara because it's a nerve. It goes through from your Muladhara. So work, strengthen your Muladhara. Left side, left Muladhara, right side, right Muladhara. Also massage with the oil at the night. Avoid long standing for the sciatica. As I said, in the next question is genetic diseases. Genetic diseases, autoimmune, you can say autoimmune diseases, it's come from your left nabi. So you need to work on your left nabi. And with the candle, you can also shubit, you can also paper burn all the negativities, badhas coming from your family, from your genes. The same for shubiting. And the left nabi working for the genetic and the family disorders. To feel the joy of self-realization. In the beginning, as I said, you need to feel Shrimataji in your heart. When you have Shrimataji in your heart, you will feel the joy of your spirit and you can enjoy meditation. If you really don't feel joy, that means there is something you need to work on your heart, especially your center heart, your left heart. See Shrimataji in your heart, re, re, understand Shri Mataji, who is Shri Mataji, who is Adi Shakti. Feel her love in your heart. You need to see Shri Mataji in your heart, then you can feel the joy. So most important, if you don't feel joy, that means you don't feel the love of Shri Mataji in your heart. You need to first recognize Shri Mataji in your heart, then you can feel the joy of your meditation. What is the best way to maintain the children vibrations interest in meditation in America? For children, I think mostly for maintaining the children vibration, parents has to work on themselves. Because Shrimataji said, like when you up to the 12 years of age, children don't have their own catches. They show their parents' catches. So for when if you feel that children are cranky, they're not listening you, they don't sit for meditation, there is something, either one of your parents, either mother or father, having a right side issue. So parents needs to work on themselves most when the children has the issue. For the children, just show one time foot soak is enough. Show them, you can just raise their kundalini with the Ganesha Tarvashisa is enough for them. Most important, you just keep the atmosphere in the house as a Sahaj, mostly the Sahaj atmosphere. Show them about Ganesha stories, tell them about the stories, about what Shrimataji has said. Make them understand Sahaj Yoga in very simple way. Don't make it so complicated. Don't make it like Hitler way. If it is like if you push them so hard, they won't sit and they won't listen. Make it like a playful manner when they feel joy. Like don't need to sit for hours in meditation. You need to sit as a parents. They need to just sit for a few minutes or just 5 minutes of foot soak. They are enough, done. So just you need to focus on yourself most and then the children and make them more activities. Like school make them activities to understand the school lessons. Same way you can make some activities that they can understand the Sahaj and the Sahaj chakras and the Ganeshas or Kartikeyas. Make them stories to understand. So make it simple and don't make it so complicated so they don't feel interested. Make it more easy and more way that they can learn dancing through everything like music. You can use anything. Just don't make it so stressful to make them meditation because they are children, they are Ganeshas. They don't need to be so bothered about the things. So next question is about the woman health after 40. That means that is the age of menopause. For the menopause, you need to work on your, I think mostly the Nabi chakra, as I said, the hormone balance, and also Swadhisthana, also the Muladhara chakra you can work on, and just do more meditation on your heart because usually in the menopause you feel that palpitation, you feel this anxiety, you feel this mood swings. So in this you need to work on your center heart. But for the harmonium balance, you need to work on your Nabi chakra, Swadhisthana, also meditate on Muladhara. It is very, very natural that after 40s, women have this menopause syndrome and they get these mood swings and anxiety and the palpitations. So just work on your heart, Nabhi, and Swadhisthana chakra. It will help you to deal with this. Also, routine checkup for your health is also very important after 40s, especially in the women. If they have any symptoms, you can go to the gynecologist and have your routine checkup with the doctors. I think I have covered most of the questions. I think one of the question was Hamsa Chakra, how to cure the Hamsa Chakra. I think Hamsa Chakra is in between your both eyebrows. It's related to your Vishuddhi Chakra, as Mataji said. Doing the ghee camphor is very helpful for the clearing of your Hamsa Chakra. Also, you can clear. You can just put your right Vishuddhi finger and rotate your right Vishuddhi finger in the clockwise. You can recite Ganesh Atharva Shishya, or you can press your Hamsa Chakra with your both fingers like this tightly for some time. Also, you can use the candle. It also opens your Hamsa and Agya Chakra together. Mostly work on your Vishuddhi and back Agnya and the Agnya Chakra helps to cure your Hamsa Chakra. Specifically, most important is your ghee camphor. Ghee camphor opens your Hamsa Chakra. I think I have done with the questions. Viraj?
Dr. Priyanka, thank you so much. I think there were one or two additional questions in the chat. If you have a few,
Okay. Yeah, just do on the screen so I can read them.
um, yeah, okay.
Or you can read it out. I can just answer.
Yeah, the question was, I can't sit for long cross-legged, and also on the chair I feel lots of burning sensation on the feet.
Okay. For this, you need to, whatever sister or brother, you need to work on your Muladhara and more foot soaking. And more, you can just put your palms under your, like, you can put your palms under your Muladhara for some time. It also, like, both palms under your Muladhara, sit this position. Also, Muladhara exercise. You can go on YouTube and see the Muladhara exercise. It is probably related to your Muladhara chakra. So you can just see how to exercise Muladhara. Shimataji has shown this on Muladhara chakra. So just go on this, see and how to Muladhara exercise and also foot soaking, and make sure exercise, bit of walking exercise, so the circulation in your lower limbs should be proper. Also helps to sit for the longer time.
Next question was, how can we work for diverticulitis disease, colon disease?
Yeah,
Diverticulitis.
the colon disease is all related to your intestine, and intestine is all like when you have acidity, diverticulitis or ulceritis or gallbladder is all related to your liver. You need to work on a liver diet, liver corrections, make it a good healthy food habits. Also help to clear these conditions. More food soaking, clearing, working on your right side, working on your liver, ice pack, cooling mantras, Hanuman Chalisa, ice water food soak help to cure your acidity, acid level, healthy lifestyle. I'm again stressing on the healthy lifestyle. So just go proper sleep, proper diet, and proper food soaking will help. I think in between there was a question for the corona, like how to cure the COVID or how to help in the COVID cases. I think mostly Shimataji said all the viral diseases come from your left side. Shimati said, work on your left channel, work on your center heart. But as soon if you see the corona, it is mostly related to your lung. It affects mostly your Vishuddhi and your lung. So work on your right heart, center heart, and the Vishuddhi. Ghee camphor, drinking the hot water, and also this kadha. Shimataji has advised this kadha for the viral diseases. I think it's available on the messages on the WhatsApp like tulsi, black pepper, ajwan, and turmeric, and it is all this you can boil in the water and drink this kadha for 2 times or 1 time in a day. Also help to, this is most important in the COVID cases right now, doing clearing your Vishuddhi and clearing your heart and the left side. Yeah, it's Indian basil and ajwan, turmeric boiled in the water. It's a black pepper.
Ah, okay. I think those were it. There's one around Parkinson's disease, treatments for Parkinson's disease as well.
Parkinson disease is mostly Shamati said it comes from Muladhara. You need to work on both Muladhara. Also Shri Ganesha and Shri Kartikeya. Left side, Matka treatment, back Agnya, front Agnya clearance, coconut treatment for the back Agnya. continuous matka treatment and Vishuddhi clearance.
Okay. I think we covered most of them. There was one question around some mantras that were not in the mantra book. How can we get them? But Maria, we will send a recording of this whole session out to all the collectives. I will post it on the Workday Facebook national message board, so everyone can access all of the questions answered as well as all the mantras and the meditation. So we'll make sure to post that.
So quickly, I just want to tell you, like, if you have any questions, we are in Noida Health Center. We do have online consulting. I will send the address, email address, and the phone number, so everyone can consult. There are timings according to the Indian time. You can talk to the doctor, and you can consult yourself with the doctor. So I can just give it to Viraj so he can circulate to the collective. So you can have any doubts regarding anything. You can either email us or you can call on the WhatsApp.
Thank you so much, Dr. Priyanka. You've spent so much time with us, and
It's
honestly,
my pleasure. It was so nice. It was so nice to connect with this extended collectivity of USA. And I hope you all enjoy and hope to see you soon.
thank you again from the bottom of our hearts. The information was invaluable. I mean, all of us, no matter how many years we've been in Saj Yoga, we always learn something new every time, and we're so blessed. So really, thank you. And please,
I'm also so happy when I was leading meditation, I could feel that I'm with you all guys, with this big family of Sai Yoga. I was after a long time, we have such a big collective session today. So
yes.
I'm very happy.
And please thank the beautiful young girls from all of
Definitely.
us. And we're
Definitely.
so joyful to hear them, and we will definitely
Yeah, you can hear them again, no problem. Whatever time is suitable, whenever you want them, let me know. I can let them, they can sing because they don't have school right now. So they can give more time in these days.
beautiful. Thank you. Jai Shri
Okay.
Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. Okay,
Jai
I'm
Shri
leaving this meeting now. Jai Shri Mataji. Bye.